BirchStreet Systems Inventory Management with AccuBar, empowering you to save time and increase profitability with real-time inventory tracking and accurate replenishment for both food and beverage. Automated replenishment based on real-time inventory counts at any number of storeroom locations with comprehensive beverage management and barcode scanning, delivering greater efficiency and profitability. The BirchStreet System solution features item par values, enabling you to set standard replenishment values and be alerted when levels are low. Replenishment purchase order auto-generation automatically replenishes items using requisition lists. Perpetual inventory in unlimited locations centralizes management and maintains inventory levels across storerooms. Handheld Scanning provides you patented handheld functionality for fast and accurate counting, while iWine Lists ensures you easily create elegant, interactive digital wine lists. Enhanced point-of-sale interfaces with point-of-sale systems for inventory and sales data. Inventory Reports gives you visibility into inventory valuation, profit watch, and simple banquet reports. And multiple costing methods adheres to any type of valuation method. Our customers realize significant cost savings and productivity gains, with food cost savings through price visibility of 1 to 3%, waste reduction with optimized inventory of 2 to 5%, and count productivity with barcode scanning of 30%. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Inventory Management with AccuBar can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.